All right, welcome back to the channel. Your boy, Boss Up with K. You know I teach you how to get these gig economy jobs, passive income, active income, side hustles, building business credit so you can purchase a vehicle in your business name. We're about that on this channel. So pluck that subscribe button, tap that like button, and also that notification bell because you don't want to miss out on the content I'm delivering daily, 2, 3 times a week. Might even drop 2, 3 videos in a day sometime, helping everybody get paid all 2023, level up in life. All right, so on this channel, a lot of you guys found me from courier work. Although I talk about a lot of side hustles, the courier jobs are the things that you guys want, and I got a great courier company I'm going to talk about today. Diligent Courier Service, a nationwide company. I'm going to show you the map locations of everywhere they're at. There are nationwide, pretty much every state except for the ones that's really nothing really go on. But if you do not see your state when I go to the location part of this video, drop a comment down below. Say, hey, Kay, this one's not in my state. Can you help me find something? I do have a lot of videos on this channel listed by state. So if you go search my channel, search, courier by state, you can find a video for your specific state and find all the companies in it. But like I said, I'm here to help you guys. This is community. I want everybody to go, everybody to learn as well. So just drop a comment down below if you don't see your city in the location section once I get to the next screen. Okay. All right. So this company, like I said, they do medical courier as well as last mile work. They do have an office here in Atlanta, so I just applied and I called them, and lady said she's gonna give me a call back. She was extremely busy, so somebody actually did pick up the phone. Actually got transferred to a Atlanta office. So, just kind of be patient with them. A lot of people probably are applying, so you can kind of go online and apply. Like I always tell you guys on this channel, apply online and then call and then send an email. And then if you're close enough, pull up on them. So if I don't hear anything back, probably by Wednesday or Thursday this week, then I'm driving right on up to Norcross and seeing what they got going on. Okay. All right, so I'm for real about this. I'm trying to get some money. It's time to get some money. So hopefully, they got some positions open with them. And if it's over the road work, I will be hiring a driver. I got a couple of prospects already. A couple people been hitting me up since last year to be a driver for me. So I got those people already on the sideline. Really not looking for anyone else. I want you guys to be bosses. Go out and get your own contracts, get your own work. But like I said, I do need some help if it does come to that. So I will be reaching out to everybody who reached out previously. All right, so let's get into it. No long talk. Let's get into the sauce. We're going to hop onto the website, Diligent Delivery, so you can see what they're all about. One of the top nationwide courier companies. Another one that everybody's talking about is Drop Off. There's thousands of videos online about Drop Off right now. If you see a Drop Off video, drop a comment in that video saying, "But these folk ain't hiring. I ain't got hired. I ain't got a call back. I ain't got an email. Nothing." Drop Off makes you take their little test, do all the rigmarole, do all the stuff, and they don't call you back. So I'm sick of them. I got like a hit back last year, but like I said, I haven't heard anything back from them since then. I know thousands of people who have tried to apply with Drop Off and they don't hear anything. So we're going to X that one off the list until we get some good news. But if you do drive for Drop Off, leave me a comment and just let me know how you got on, what we need to do to kind of skip the line with them. But yeah, let's get into what we here for. Diligent delivery, baby. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right, so we are in the website and Diligent Delivery Systems. You see the title. You see the thumbnail. We're going to get into it. Of course, location, that's the most important thing because they're not in your area while you've been watching this video. So we're going to go through this. We got all the way up in the border, Seattle, Spokane, Washington. Okay. Never knew it was Spokane. Here we go. Back at the location. We got Seattle, Spokane. all up in Washington, all up in Oregon, even got Idaho. So that's Salt Lake City. Salt Lake City. So if you're trying this little triangle right here, you can just go to Salt Lake City. We got Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico. I never see New Mexico places. This is a place that got New Mexico, El Paso, by the border, Albuquerque, all the way down in Texas. A lot of Texas places, Southeast, Northeast. Only real place that's not, like I said, Montana, Nebraska. You know what I mean? They even got Colorado on here. Of course, St. Louis, all up in the East Coast, Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, Louisiana. I mean, they are everywhere. So there are no excuses on if we can find work in your area. Now, they may not be hiring at this exact moment. They may not have any deliveries for you at this exact moment, but go ahead and get on their list and give them a try. If not, then I got over 200 videos on this channel with different companies you guys can apply for to do medical courier work, last mile, all the above. So like I said, California, Charleston, like I said, I don't hardly ever see New Mexico, Alabama, Arkansas, but they got all of these places on here that have jobs. Mississippi, like I hardly ever see these type places, but they're here today. So we here for it. So let's get into some of the things that they do. Catering, fulfillment, dedicated drivers, hotshot courier work, over the road work. They got warehouses. So if you want to work in the warehouse, you can do that as well. You can learn about them, some of the things they do, resources, but how do you start driving? So usually come to the bottom. There's no place here. I'll just fill out the application shortly before completing this video. Then I called and I actually found it directly off of the Google search. But here it is, Drive for Diligent. So like I said, they got warehouse work, things of that nature. But we bosses, we independent contractors. We make our own way, repair our own vehicles, drive our own vehicles, pay for our own gas and mileage in order to get those big bucks. And this is what you need to do to be a delivery driver, owner, operator. That's what bossing up is: owner, operator, independent contractor drivers. And they got a sign-on bonus. So you got to have your TWIC card. I need to see about getting a TWIC card. Anybody got a TWIC card for their van or box truck business? Leave a comment below. How can I get a TWIC card? If you help me out, I'll pay you. Look out for your boy. So and then we got single upfront payments, independent contractors. Like I said, work is not guaranteed. It fluctuate market to market. So depending on where you are, you might be real slow. They might not be hiring right now. If you're in a bigger city, they may got a lot of work. Anybody work with Diligent, definitely leave a comment below. Let us know how you like it. You do need a 3-year MVR report. Must be 21 years or older. Be professional, delivery knowledge, have some experience. When they ask you, have you ever done this for? Don't say no. Don't say yes. Say yeah. I, delivered for DoorDash. I work for other medical couriers. I work for Roadie. Uber Eats. Over Uber Eats, all that good stuff. So you will be good to go. All right, so that is Diligent Delivery. I'm going to make this video longer than it needs to be. You see what it's about. You see that they have everything you need. You can be a car, cargo van, box truck, efficient vehicle, pickup truck, open bed, pipe wraps are a plus, steak beds, trailers with goosenecks. So they want it all. And here's the driver hotline. So this is what I suggest you guys do with this company. You come on here, apply as a driver, apply online here. After you put all your information in here, you want to immediately call the hotline number. If you do not get anybody on the phone, leave them a voicemail and then call them back later. So wait 2-3 hours, then call them back. If not, then see if you can find the closest location of where they are, and then apply. So that's it. That's Diligent Delivery Systems, one of the nationwide top courier companies. I got that information from Glassdoor and Indeed, some reviews, some of the things other drivers were saying about the company. Didn't really see too many poor reviews for them. So I'm going to give them a good thumbs up right now. And then once I get on, I give y'all a proper rating. All right. All right.